There it is, the tallest roller coaster in the world. See it? Oh, there's some focus power. There it is, Kingdaka, the world's tallest roller coaster. And within, you can see the little orange bars in the middle there. That's the world's tallest drop tower, Zumanjaro. And I am in the slowest lane. Isn't that some shit? Hey, what's up everybody? This is Greenbean with Full Time Coaster Tour. Excited today to make this video because I spent the entire day yesterday at my original home park of Six Flags Great Adventure in Jackson, New Jersey. The park famous for coasters like El Toro and Nitro, but the really interesting coaster at this park is Kingdaka, the world's largest coaster, and by largest I mean tallest coaster, the second fastest in the world. But here's the thing. As you guys know, I don't live in New Jersey anymore. I spend my life traveling around the country. I've lived in Florida and Virginia, and I would get opportunities to come back to this park. And the last 3 times I was here over the last decade, it was closed. Now, it's not a long ride. I'm going to show you exactly how long it is right there. That's the launch. Now we're going up the top hat, over the top hat, into the 270-degree heartline roll, and now we're broaching the airtime hill, and look at that. We're just about 21 seconds from start to finish on this ride. So it's not a long one, but the punch that it packs is unbelievable. Now the good thing is, number one, it ran all day yesterday, and it was running fast. The timing was consistent. The operations were just stellar. And this coaster ran all day long, which, like I said, the last 3 times I visited Six Flags Great Adventure, it was just like an ominous ghost, a big skeleton, just standing in the skyline doing nothing, which was sad to see because obviously you want a coaster like this to run. Now, the stats on this coaster are interesting. As I said, this is the world's tallest roller coaster at 456 feet. It is one of only 2 what are called strata coasters. You've heard of Hyper and Giga. This is a strata coaster, which means over 400 feet. It has a drop of 418 feet, and it goes from 0 to 128 miles an hour in 3.5 seconds. That launch makes you question if you're even a human being. It is so intense, you feel like your face is going to fly off. Look right here. To be able to climb 456 feet like that and go over the top hat, you are cooking. And that launch is probably the most intense launch I've ever experienced. Listen to it. It sounds like a jet engine coming by. Now, the thing I want to make sure to tell you is I talked to some staff and they seem to think that Kingdaka is poised for a full season of operations. Everyone's excited about it at Great Adventure, and that's what I wanted to tell you. If you have been unable to ride this behemoth, now is the time. Get over to Six Flags Great Adventure and ride the world's tallest coaster. It is flying as good as it ever has. And if you need another reason to get to Great Adventure, don't forget what's coming. The Jersey Devil Coaster is also mere days away from opening. And what could be more exciting than that? Six Flags Great Adventure, Kingdaka, El Toro, Nitro, the Jersey Devil Coaster. It's time to get over there. Please don't forget to like this video and give us a sub to follow our national full-time coaster tour.